Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to IONOS hosting. Let's get into it. First, log into your account dashboard. Open your web browser, type in the main website address, and type your username and password into the boxes. Click the sign in button and wait for your main overview screen to load completely, because the system needs to verify that you own the website before letting you add new files. You have to open this private area so the computer can reveal your personal website tools. Without this step, you would just be looking at the public store page instead of your hidden control panel. Next, go to Hosting and use Web Space. Look at your main dashboard screen. Click on Hosting and scroll down to select Use Web Space button to see the list of folders. Wait a moment for the new screen to load your personal list of internet folders. You need to tell the system exactly which part of your service you want to look at. By clicking these specific choices, you bypass all the extra account settings and open the actual filing cabinet for your website files. It ensures you are in the right spot so you can see all your directories laid out on your screen. Next, open your target website folder. Look at the folder list on your screen, find your main folder, and double-click it to look inside. Make sure you see the empty space or the old files inside that folder where your new work will go. Because putting files in the wrong directory means your internet link will show a broken page. By opening the correct folder, you are clearing the way for your new design files to take over. Go to the top of your screen, and lastly, click on the Upload button to choose your items from your computer folder. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.